It is Wild 95.5. It's Maverick. And on the phone with me, my buddy, you guys hear me talk about him all the time. And you need to pick up the phone and call Angelo Christian. 561-500-LOAN. That's 561-500-LOAN. Now, Angelo is the man that is making the American dream come true for people all over South Florida. Angelo, you are the mortgage expert, Bank of England
Hey,
Mortgage. What's going on today?
hey, brother. No, I'm doing awesome. It's been great. We've been lending in there now for last 3 months with you on the air, man, and we've helped a lot of people become homeowners, and it's been phenomenal. And I mean, I can't tell you how privileged we are to be able to help people get into a home. And so, our plan for 2017 is, we have a loan officer down there. We're going to be opening up our first location in West Palm. And so
I
we're
feel
really
a party.
excited.
I feel a party
Yeah,
coming on right there.
there'll be a big party. There'll be a grand opening party, and
All right. Well,
and
here's the
so
thing that, we get tons of calls here at the station. Everybody
yeah,
going, how do I get in touch with Angelo, Bank of England Mortgage? Because that's a big New Year's resolution. People are like, I am
yeah.
going to strike out. I am going to buy my very first home. Now, obviously, the markets are fluctuating a lot. Things are kind of crazy with the
hmm
inauguration, new government. I mean, how does that really affect the home loan process?
Yeah, that's a great question. It's actually huge. So, I mean, with the Federal Reserve, Donald Trump, what they've talked about for 2017 is actually raising the interest rates three more times. And so if that happens, let's say that a 30-year fixed mortgage today is at 3.75%. If they raise those rates three times, and you're looking at like a 5% mortgage rate on a $200,000 home, that would increase your house payment by $400 a month. So it doesn't make any sense to wait. You can lock in now and get a much lower payment, but that's what's on deck. That's what they're
All right.
talking about.
Now,
So I've
let me
been
ask you
stressing
this. You say you lock in your rate today, all right? So you'll lock it in,
right.
and then they raise it, and then they raise it. I mean, how long can you wait once you have that rate locked in before you actually buy?
So I mean, yeah, another great question. I mean, typically when somebody calls in the lock, the farthest that we can go out is 4 months. Most people lock in for 2 months, but that's generally the farthest we'll go out is about 4 months to secure that rate.
But that's awesome. So you lock it in, you've got this ultra low rate, and then the rates go up, and it's 90 days later. You're saving more and more cash, but you still got that small, low rate. That's how it
Right.
works, right?
Exactly. And
That is
so,
amazing. All right, guys, 561-500-LOAN. That's 561-5626. Now, Angelo, you are the master at making all of this happen. Zero down. I mean, low interest rates. You even do the whole a non-U.S. citizen type stuff.
yeah,
What are the loans that you guys really, truly specialize in that you're world
right.
famous for?
Right. So, I mean, right now, our focus is, what we have, especially in South Florida, we have a first-time buyer tax credit. So, somebody that's a first-time buyer get a $2,000 a year tax credit to buy a house, and that will allow them to purchase more homes. So, it'll boost their purchasing power, and with the tax proration, it'll actually save them $3,000 a year for 5 years. So, this is one thing that we really specialize in. Someone that's trying to buy a house, whether it's the new construction or an existing home, they can literally get in there with no money down, get 100% financing. That is our specialty.
Wow. And then I actually met a guy over at City Place. We were having dinner at the Cheesecake Factory, and he told me that he was not a U.S. citizen, didn't have a U.S. passport. He wanted his own home, and I guess he
Right.
called you, and you hooked him up. So that's something that
Yeah.
we can make happen right here in South Florida.
Right. Yeah. So if somebody, let's say that they're a citizen of another country, but they're here in the U.S., they're working, we have programs to get you funding to buy a house. It doesn't matter if you're a U.S. citizen or not. We can help you get into a home.
That is amazing. All right, guys, 561-500-LOAN. That's 561-5626. Zero down, 100% financing. Lock that rate in now because, as Angelo from Bank of England Mortgage is saying right here, rates are looking like they're going to go up several times this year. So it is
Right.
extremely, extremely important. Now, if I call you today, I lock in my rate, I get all my paperwork to you. How soon can I be in my house?
Well, right now we're closing deals in less than 30 days.
That's
So
amazing.
if you, yeah, you call us, we get you pre-approved. get you into a home. You're looking at before March, you could be in a house.
Now, they're going to pick up the phone. They're going to call your office. They're going to talk to somebody, and that's going to be like their mortgage buddy through the whole process, right? You're not going to pawn them off on 18 different people. You've got your dedicated service person. They're going to know you by name. They're going to treat you with the respect that you deserve, and they're going to walk you through the whole process, right?
100%, yeah. All those. I work with everyone right here in the office directly, and they're all senior loan officers. They've been thoroughly trained by me, and basically, even I'm part of the process as well. I'm involved. I help people, and so we want to do everything we can to give people the best service. In fact, we're available 7 days a week. So we give you our personal cell phone. You can pick up the phone, call us anytime, email us anytime, and you'll have a response immediately.
All right. So I'm a big dummy. I call you Saturday morning, 9 a.m. Angelo, what the heck is PMI? You're going to answer my question?
Absolutely.
Okay,
Absolutely.
Now what about if it's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon and the big playoff game is on? Are you going to answer my call?
Yep.
No,
yep.
No.
No, I'm telling you, man. You can ask anybody that has done a loan with us that we've closed over in the area or that we've serviced them. Anytime that someone contacts us, we respond immediately.
I love that.
That's just who we are. Other companies, they close at 5 o'clock. They're closed on the weekend. Most people are buying a house after they get off of work at 7, 8 o'clock at night, and they need their lender. They're getting ready to put an offer on the home. They need somebody to help them right there.
We out hustling in the streets, and you doing it with us.
Yeah, man.
All right. 100% financing, 0 down, all sorts of programs, every sort of credit, every sort of possibility in the background, in the past, because let's face it, I mean, there have been ups and downs over the last 10 years that have affected everybody in this country. So you're saying regardless of your situation, pick up the phone, call Bank of England Mortgage today, and you guys are going to find some program that is going to work and make their dream come true.
Absolutely, man. Our mission is to help people get into a home. That's my purpose. Why I'm here is to help people, to put them in a better financial situation and get them into the best loan possible.
Excellent. 561-500-LOAN. That's 561-5626. 561-500-5626. Call Angelo today. Dude, thank you for hooking up with us.
Absolutely, man.